How to use Slack for client communication for small businesses. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Slack for client communication for small businesses. So let's get started. First, what you're going to do here is you have to go to slack.com and sign up for free here. So basically, you will see two options above. You have to click Get Started. That is the first step. Now, first you have to enter your email address. Basically, you can add your email address here, or you can continue with your Google, with your Apple. If you have your workspace already, just click sign in. But if you don't have, then I strongly suggest to continue with Google. For me, it's the easiest way to sign up here on Slack. So go to your email address to confirm your account. They will send you a code, and what you're going to do is you have to simply enter it, or you just have to click the link to verify your account. You can also tap create a new Slack workspace and just do it later. So this is what it looks like. What's the name of your company or team? You have to enter the name of your company or team right here. For example, this is the team's name, Project Powerhouse. Once done, click next. Then you will see this, what's your name? You have to enter or add your name right here. This is my name, Shadow B. And then you can add a photo right here, but this one is optional. And after that, you have to click next. So who else is on the Project Powerhouse team? You can add their email address here, or you can add from Google Contacts. If you have added this contacts from your Google, that's the easiest way. You can also add them. Just type their email address and then send or tap. Or you can also copy invite link. So there are three ways on how to add workers or teammates by Google Contacts, adding them with their email or invite. You can skip this part or you can tap next. Now it's time to choose a plan to get started. As you can see here for free plan, the included are 90 days of message history, this one, video conversation, audio conversation, 10 application or integration. You can also try the Pro. So these are the features that you can unlock when you start with Pro. But for this tutorial, let's just start with the free version or free plan. So I'm going to click free and welcome to Slack. So this is your Slack. This is your dashboard. This is where you're going to communicate, add tasks, or whatever you want here on your channel. So this is the name of your workspace. So on the left side, you can see the name of your workspace. Okay, DMS, activity, tap this three dots to see the template, and so on. You can also edit your profile. And basically, this is what it looks like. So these are the people on my channel or workspace. Now, what I'm going to show you right now is how are you going to create another workspace. For example, this one is for you or this one is private. So you're going to create another workspace for your team members. Let's just say you're about or you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to create a new workspace because this one is for other project. Let's just say something like that. So what you're going to do is you have to click this PP or the name of your workspace right here. And basically you will see this create a new workspace or add a new workspace. So click this one. You have three options. What you're going to do is you have to click this create a new workspace. Tap this one. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you have to enter your email address again. And then this time you have to open your email address to enter the code. So I'm going to open my email address here, copy this code, and then paste it to my Slack. And you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you directly to your Slack dashboard. Again, they will ask for the company name. Let's just say Creative Minds HQ. What's your name? You have to add your name right here, upload photo, but this one is optional. Who else is on the team? You can add your team members here, your staff, your workmates. You can copy the link or send invitation. And then what's your team working on right now? Let's just say we are doing or creating a YouTube channel. Okay, so add channel right here, tap next, and then choose a plan. Let's start with free, and this is what it looks like. So this is the name of my another workspace. Here, I can message my team. If I tap this TMS, I can message them specifically or as a team. So here you can edit your profile if you want. You can add photo and you can start sending message to someone You can edit the format, bold, italic. You can add a link. You can mention, you can add a video or add voiceover or audio. And basically, that's it. For recent activity, you can click this bell notification. You can toggle on and read or read. Now, if you tap this three dots, you will see this templates, automations, canvases, and so on. For templates, there are tons of templates here that you can choose from. If you're looking for a specific template, let's just say for project, for team support, and so on, you just have to browse here. But if you want to see more or use more templates, then you need to upgrade your plan. Also, you can see your automations. If you want to automate your Slack, for example, if you want to add Google Sheets or if you want to add these applications right here, you just have to simply click and then connect. Also, canvases, you can see here if you want to start from a template employee onboarding, you can see the following here list. If you want to add a list, for example, if you want to create a new list right here, so you can start from project tracker, feedback tracker, and so on. Let's just say project tracker. Here you can edit. Okay, you can use template first and then edit. For example, here you're going to add a task. I'm going to show you what it looks like. The name of the channel. I'm going to add task right here. Status progress. Let's just say in progress. And then here you're going to for 3 stars priority description. You can add description, assignee. You can tap and then assign this to specific person and add a due date right here. Then after that, your team members will see this list. Now, aside from that, you can also see here files if you want to upload files so that your team members will see this one. It could be document, video, and so on. If you want to create a new channel, for example, you have tons of teammates here, workers, and you want to create a specific channel for voice actors, something like that. So you can name this as voiceover or voice actor, something like that. So what you're going to do is you have to add this name, create, and then basically you can add people. So when you send a message to someone, or if you want to send a message to this team, you will see this channel on the choices or option. And again, you can invite people to Slack, invite them using their email address, or you can copy the link. If you want to go to external connections, you will see it here on the 3 dots, and then for invitations too. So you will see or find the invitations here in this section. Also here, you can see the message if you want to message someone directly. Like what I've mentioned earlier, you can see here channel. So if you want to send a specific message to voice actors only, for editors only, you need to create a channel for that. And you can add a message right here. And the people on this channel or the members of this channel, they will see your message. As easy as that. So basically, this is how easy it is to use Slack for client communication, for small businesses, for workers, for staff, or whatever project you're doing that requires minimal work. And this one has a user-friendly interface, so no need to worry a lot. All you have to do is to create an account, add people right here, and then create your project. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.